What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the NT Vlogs. I'm sitting on my bed right now. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Okay. I'm gonna sit y'all there. And where's my... That's right there. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Ugh. My friend, Roman gave me one of his fidget spinners. My number was, they have numbers on them. They're already sold out and they're never coming back. And my number was 3,019 of 5,000 of each this color. A little smile more. A little signature, Roman. Wait, so let's play down. A little signature. And this stands for fidget F8. Right? No, fidget X8. And they're really cool. Can you see that little smiley face? A little upside down. Hang on. Yeah. Can you see that little smiley face? I don't know if y'all can. It's really cool. You can hold it like this. Right here. Easy to do, and you can do it like this. Yeah, I just wanted to make a video about that, and he sent me one of his shirts too. Yeah, but it's a little dirty right now, and I don't want to show it. I might show it tomorrow if I make a vlog. And yeah, it's my little fidget, and it goes in that bag, and I can be like, blah. And yeah, I just wanted to make a video about that fidget. Oh, how do y'all like that little plant right there? Do you see it? Like birdie. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this video today. I know it's short. I just wanted to show you about this fidget. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!